Always put petroleum jelly down, guys. No. Oh, can you see that?
Well, hello everyone, this is going to be my first voiceover, and today for my SFX we'll be splitting my face in half, not literally. So first you're going to be getting a dark cream product and mapping out the area you're wanting of the wound. Ooh, I have a sexy moustache. Then you're going to get some petroleum jelly and basically put it everywhere you have hairs, mainly your eyebrows and baby hairs around your hairline. Then you're going to get some cotton pads and take the kind of fluffy stuff in the middle. I like this because it's an easy texture to work with. And you're going to get black paint and paint it on the inside of your wound area to make it dark. I'm sexy. And then you're going to get liquid latex, my favourite SFX product, put on the outside of the wound. This is where you'll place the cotton stuff on it. Place it down. Then from here you're pretty much just going to be smoothing out the edges of the so-called wound with some more liquid latex. I like to do thin layers so I know it's going to dry easier. When doing this, try to keep the inside of the wound raised so you get that kind of cut effect. Then keep doing this all the way down the wound, doing some dances along the way. And it should look something like this. Then you're going to get some skin coloured paints and paint everywhere where the dry liquid latex is, because that is a lighter colour of your skin tone and you want it to match. So try and go a shade darker or two because that'll be blended out easily as I'm doing here. Then take some red paint and put it all over the raised area of the wound. This is going to look very light at the moment, but that's okay because the fake blood will go all the way over it. Then I added a little touch with some string, and I'm going to make the effect of it crossing over, so I'm trying to stitch it. Apparently I had scissors that did not want to work. So kind of map out the area you're wanting the so-called stitch, and I'm going to stick it down with liquid latex. It's the cheapest and easiest product to use. And again, smoothing out the edges. I kind of liked the raised look as I was kind of sewing into my skin. Thought that gave it a good effect. And then my favourite part, you're going to get fake blood and put it anywhere desired. Anywhere. I put it over where the stitches were and on the inside of the wound and on the string. And once you have put your SFX blood down, that is the completed look.
Blood everywhere. Not real blood. No people were harmed in the making of this video. Do what I do. So, you guys don't have to torture your own faces. You can just watch me torture my own. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, guys. See ya.